Good day to you, Sir Madam. I'm Maria Carmen Cebreros, 25 years old, married. I'm a midwifery graduate.
Good day to you, Miss Maria Carmen. How are you right now?
I'm fine, Sir Madam.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
A good domestic helper must be honest, kind, responsible, and hardworking.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
I'm keeping busy at work.
So can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Give them food, give them vitamins, and take a bath them.
So what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
I will say sorry and I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir Madam, please do hire me. I need this job. I will do my best and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Maria Carmen, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir Madam.